go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Royal Crown. Yet again, Royal Crown is back on the channel. This one right here called Upper Class, and I think it is one of the popular ones from the brand, so it's nice to finally see one that has been popular. It lost its bejeweled in the middle of its crown as per usual. Always any issues with upper class, lower class, any Royal Crown. It feels like a brand that is, you know, really needs, you know, somebody to sit down with the owner and go, look, right, this is, I don't know. The people that talk positively about this brand, I don't know. I don't know about you. I'm actually worried. All right, let's delve into this. Before we get into anything, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, much appreciated. Again, I'm a fragrance reviewer that this is part of the free bottle brigade. Max Aroma shipped out a bunch of these fragrances to influencers to kind of push the brand. I'm not one of those kind of guys. So subscribing to me, you're going to get, if you like it or if you don't, especially if you get, you know, kind of upset about someone actually telling you how they feel about a fragrance, you may not want to subscribe. Honestly, I'm not here for numbers. I don't care. You can unsubscribe. I don't care. You don't like my product, go. Honestly, I don't care. And that's the thing, is that I'm here to help out people. And sometimes, you know, a good friend sits you down and goes, what are you doing? Right? So that's me. So let's take a look at the note breakdown and let's see if Upper Class changes my mind on the brand of Royal Crown. Let's take a look at the notes. Raspberry, leather, coriander, black pepper up top, iris olibanum, cedar oud in the mid, and in the base we got myrrh, vanilla, labdanum, ambre gris, oak moss, and musk. Now that looks very appealing to me. That is a note breakdown that is super sexy, right? What am I going to get here? Am I going to get a Tuscan leather, raspberry leather, with some incense and iris and oud and ambre gris? Like, oh my God, it sounds amazing. And it's got like the brown juice. So it's kind of like, oh, okay. Released in 2016. Same nose comes back. Owner / perfumier Antonio Visconti. Let's sniff this one out. We'll put on strip as per usual. And then we're going to put it on, of course, my skin. Good atomizers. Nothing wrong with the atomizers. Let's sniff up Upper Class. Yeah. Did I say Tuscan leather? I think I did, eh? Kind of. Kind of Tuscan leather-esque. Definitely raspberry. It smells familiar. I'll give it that. I think this is supposed to be a Tuscan leather clone, but it's not very good. Man, this brand is like, it can't even do a clone right. Like, we already got a goofy, already too expensive brand cloning Tuscan leather in Clive Christian. They did Clive Christian C for Men, which is actually a quite decent release, honestly. So I'm not going to really poo-poo C for Men, because Clive Christian C for Men, especially the bottle that I have, which is vintage, is really good. But it does have some Tuscan leather-esque ideas to it. This is, the leather in here has no bite, right? Tuscan leather, even though it's a very, I feel is a mainstream release from Tom Ford, because it's very popular. Everybody's copying it, but some people think that it's very daring, the leather. I think it's kind of, I'm not saying it's weak sauce, but it's good enough to be good enough, right? It's a good enough leather. This is like weaker than that. Like, it's a lot more raspberry than leather. It's fruity, but it's not very good. The leather here is like suede-like. So again, not very good. There's no smoky nuance to the leather. There's no rough and tumble like Tuscan leather gives. There's no oud. There's no ambre gris in here. There's no black pepper. There's no cedar. There's nothing daring in this release. This is raspberry, vanilla, suede. Yeah, there's a little myrrh in here. Is there a myrrh in the, no, yeah, there is. It's okay, but it's like, this is what I expect a clone brand to do with Tuscan leather. Like, oh, you're not there yet, right? It's not really that, but it's okay. Like, look, I spent 30 bucks on a clone of Tuscan leather. Yeah, the leather is not really that great. The raspberry, yeah, like the raspberry and Tuscan leather is synthetic, but it's decent enough. Like the leather really engulfs it, so it really kind of hides its imperfections. Here, there's nothing stopping the raspberries imperfections. The leather is so suede-like and so minute. Man, it's not good. I don't know. Like this is the Royal Crown that would be more up my speed because it has a lot of the notes that is more my taste. But even stuff my taste, like forget the price. The price is just, they're smoking something over there as far as price goes. Forget the price. I'm talking about quality. It's not there. Blending's terrible. Note breakdown's misleading. Quality is of a $20 ripoff. And I'm more like, I'm just kind of shocked and appalled that this brand is still around. How do people not notice this kind of stuff? I don't know. Anyway, yeah. So upper class, no, it's lower class. It's not even mid class. It's lower class. It's like, I'm trying here, guys. I'm trying. No. So you can find this one at fragflex.com. And again, like I said in the last video of Royal Crown, I'm sure Fragflex is enjoying that I'm actually pushing this stuff to you. Not in a positive way, though. But hey, if you want to take some bottles off their hands, they will gladly sell them to you. And you can use my code TFG10 and gets you 10% off site-wide. There's no expiry. That code, keep it in your back pocket. You can use it anywhere, anything. You don't have to use it on this. And it's no expiry. So you can buy as little or as much as you want. You can come back months later. You can use it again. Upper class is just like everything else from the brand. Even if it's my taste, and this is kind of like, this is my kind of stuff, right? Stuff like black pepper, olibanum, cedar, oud, myrrh, vanilla, labdanum, musk, oak moss, raspberry. Like, this is all me. This is stuff like brown juice. I'm all for it. Raspberry sweetness, vanillic touch. Where's the black pepper? Where's the ambergris? Where's the cedar? Where's the daring stuff? Where's the resins? Where's the leather? It's suede like. Yeah. Anyway, now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly with upper class, unfortunately. And this is a popular one, so I might get some hate in the comments, which is fine. You know, I think people would rather have a truthful fragrance reviewer than somebody that will blow smoke. So, as always, a great report fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. If you like this scent, I highly recommend. I think, personally, from what I'm smelling here, it's like a really bad knockoff of Tuscan leather. It's not even good enough to say that it's a knockoff of Tuscan leather. That's basically what I'm trying to say here. However, if you like this scent, like you smelt this, but you haven't smelt Tuscan leather, go check out Tuscan leather. Go on Google and go Tuscan leather. And if you can't afford Tuscan leather, there's a million clones that will do it better. And I think you'll enjoy it a lot more than this stuff, personally. As always, a great report fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching YouTube. Royal Crown out.